Rahim. Today our topic is menstruation cycle. The menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs in the reproductive system of female. It involves a series of hormonal and physiological changes that prepare the body for potential pregnancy. The menstrual cycle typically lasts about 28 days, although it can vary from person to person. So the menstrual cycle primarily involves the interaction between the reproductive organs, the hormones, and the endocrine system. The key parts involved in the menstrual cycle are the ovaries, uterus, fallopian tubes, cervix, and vagina. Here is a general overview of how the menstrual cycle works. Follicular phase. The menstrual cycle begins with the follicular phase. During this phase, the pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone, which stimulates the ovaries to develop several follicles. Each follicle contains an immature egg. Ovulation. As the follicles develop, they produce estrogen, which stimulates the growth of the uterine lining endometrium. Eventually, one dominant follicle emerges and releases a mature egg in a process called ovulation. Ovulation usually occurs around the middle of the menstrual cycle, approximately 14 days before the start of the next menstrual period. Luteal phase. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum releases progesterone, which helps prepare the uterus for potential pregnancy. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down, leading to a decrease in hormone levels. Menstruation. If the egg is not fertilized, the hormone levels drop, causing the uterine lining to shed. This results in menstruation, which is the bleeding phase of the menstrual cycle. Menstrual blood along with tissue from the uterus passes through the cervix and out of the body through the vagina. Repeat. After menstruation, the cycle begins again with the follicular phase, and the process continues until menopause or pregnancy occurs. It's important to note that the length and regularity of the menstrual cycle can vary among individuals. Factors such as stress, illness, hormonal imbalance, and certain medical conditions can affect the menstruation cycle. If you have specific concern or irregularities related to your menstrual cycle, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional.